Hey, yo, peace, love, and light, yo, healing through inspiration. Hey, tell me why I'm in a freaking Walmart, and I was walking in this, I was walking near the exit, but I was going past the other exit. I seen this hybrid, where he seen me on the other side. He saw me the other side when I was at the car, the auto section, you hear me? And so then he like, and I seen him, and he saw me, he's like, like that, they're looking like that, he had a mask on. I still could see him was doing that. Anyways, the other foreigner, other pair of foreigner, he was actually helping me out. He was very helpful, whatnot. Gave me a lot of information and extra. You dig? But then, so anyways, so I get done with that, and then I get ready to. Like I said, I'm getting ready to leave. So now this is the same foreigner. Now this is the same boy. He did that look, gook-eyed look, whatever. He goes and see. He looks. He sees me, I think, whatever, some little fake head nod, whatever I said, hey, whatever, snot or whatever. And then he turned around, and it's like he couldn't wait to say something. And I could feel it. I'm sure part of me could feel it. You know what I'm saying? Because I knew this motherfucker didn't like me. And so then he's like, so he looks, he's like, oh, I think they have some masks in the front. He actually needs some. I said, I just looked at this, I said, I don't need one. He's like, oh. Like, yeah, get your dusty ass the frick on. Like, bitch, all these motherfucking people, bitch. Man, no freaking mask, bitch. If your mask work fine, bitch, you don't, what's wrong? What's wrong with anybody else not wearing one, huh? Does your mask work? Then you ain't gonna catch none. What the frick you wearing a mask for? Bitch, we more than 6 feet. I don't wanna be next to your big body, ugly ass anyways, boy. The frick you bowling ball built ass bitch. I know you mad your hair receding, boy. Ugly as hell, too. Built like big boy. I know you like burgers. Anyway, but yeah, I had to say that too. And another thing too, if y'all ain't see the video, I don't know if I uploaded it. In the Secretary of State, without a mask. I showed it. That was me. Like, and then too, I had to say that too, because it was another, some black boy on Instagram, because he was talking about he went to Walmart, and they said, or some store, whatever, and they said, where's your mask? And he said, this is my mask. And it was a fake picture of him without wearing a mask. And so then here's this, and then now he gets on what the frick he call it? And then he's on Instagram the next day. He's like with a mask. I'm like, yeah, what the frick are you doing wearing a mask? And he's like, what do you call it? He's like, oh, you must not know how the Secretary of State is. You gotta wear a mask, and then you can't get a mask to get served. And I'm like, man, you gotta stand for something. I mean, shoot, what the frick? When I walk into the Secretary of State, I had said that as soon as, because they said, oh, mask, and I said I have a medical exemption. And then she's like, oh, okay. She was already letting me in before I even showed her this. You dig what I'm saying? So, I mean, shoot. I guess people pick and choose, and the people just so arrogant and rude. But F that little foreigner ass little pale boy hating on me. Anyways, but yeah, it's a great granddad's day. Y'all know what to do. Y'all want to book a consultation? You can do that by DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration, or you can just send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Go check out the links. We got awesome apparel. We got hats. We got caps. T-shirts, polos, socks, jackets. You know what I'm saying? Get you something real fashionable. You can dig and rep your apparel. You know what I'm saying? And we also got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go check us out. You guys want to start a business? We got a business course that we tried ourselves. Send a link in the description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads, you dig? Oh, by the way, don't think we out here supporting our culture. American pride, feathers up. We not just talking, we actually living it, you dig? Peace, love, and light. Hit the bell notification. Y'all have a great one. And share this. Yeah.